this city by the sea, there's a house that was never supposed to be here. And yet, there it stands, worn but proud. A house that moved from one place to another, not to escape its past, but to carry it forward. It began in Bais, once one of Negros Oriental's wealthiest towns. In 1929, Señor Marcelo Rotea bought a home from a Chinese trader. It wasn't the grandest house perhaps, but solid, with stories written into every nail and floorboard. There were no old plans to follow, only markings, memory, and care. When World War II came, Bais City wasn't spared. The house, once a lumber yard, was turned into a garrison by the Japanese. Señor Marcelo's 4 sisters were taken. Only one came back. The house was quiet after that, but it remained standing. And in time, it became home again. The kind where children ran barefoot on wooden floors, where family stories were told around tables too big to be moved. But families grow old, stories go untold, and houses, if left to themselves, begin to forget too. In time, the home in Bais fell quiet. Its walls grew tired, the floors forgotten, and slowly the signs of neglect crept in, until it stood more like a memory than a home. Until someone saw its worth. Not as a relic, not for profit, but because some things are meant to be preserved. After all, it's not just about the house, but the memories that it carries. The house was dismantled in Bais and rebuilt in Dumaguete, one load at a time. Not just carried, but cared for. It took months. Every step, window, door, baluster, and floorboard were marked. There were no shortcuts, just the slow, deliberate work of putting pieces back together. Because they weren't just fixing a structure, they were restoring memory. The house could have been left to decay, but instead, it was given a new purpose. Through adaptive reuse, it became a restaurant, a place where history meets the present. A living space, not just a memory to be preserved, but a story to be shared. Buglas Isla Café didn't try to outshine the house. It leaned into it. Its food tells the same story. Local, quiet, made with care. The menu is a quiet nod to Negros. Nothing loud, nothing showy. It's comfort food, plain and simple. Just the kind of food that reminds you of home. If your home happens to come with a century of stories baked into its walls. This isn't just for tourists. It's for the old families of Bais and the new ones finding their place in Dumaguete. This is for Negrenses who know that food isn't just nourishment, but an inheritance.